How did ackee and saltfish become Jamaica's national dish? Ackee and saltfish is synonymous with Jamaica, as entwined with the national identity as reggae or cricket. Spiked with herbs and peppers and accompanied by rich Caribbean trimmings like plantains and the breadfruit, it pays testimony to the country's tempestuous history and multiracial roots. But how did a meal that combines a preserved North Atlantic fish and a potentially toxic West African fruit become Jamaica's national dish? My name is Alex, and welcome back to Elite Jamaica. Today, we will be taking a look at ackee and the saltfish, and how it became Jamaica's national dish. The answer is embedded in the country's history of slavery. Ackee is a voluptuous red-skinned fruit related to the lychee that is native to Ghana. The saltfish originates in the choppy seas of the northern Europe and eastern Canada. The ingredient's subsequent marriage in the kitchens and restaurants of Jamaica was a direct result of the triangular slave trade between Britain, West Africa, and its Caribbean colonies in the 18th and 19th centuries. Ackee was brought to the island, probably on a slave ship, from West Africa, sometime in the mid-1700s. Its name is derived from the original name of the fruit in the Ghanaian Twi language, Anki. Interestingly, its scientific name Blaia sapida was accorded in 1806 in honor of Captain Bligh of Mutiny on the Bounty, who took the plant from Jamaica to the Royal Botanic Gardens in Kew, London in 1793. Prior to this, the ackee was unknown to science. The fruit adapted well to Jamaica's tropical climate and quickly flourished. These days, you'll see broad, dense ackee trees embellishing the landscape everywhere from Montego Bay's Hip Strip to the gardens of Golden Eye, the former estate of Ian Fleming, the creator of James Bond. There are two main types of ackee, identified by the color of the aril. That with a soft yellow aril is known as butter ackee, and cheese ackee is hard and cream-colored. Saltfish, traditionally known as codfish, is caught and prepared in the North Atlantic. In the days before freezers and refrigerators, drying and salting was the main means of preserving fish. By the mid-17th century, it became economically viable to transport large quantities of salted cod from Nova Scotia in Canada to Britain's Caribbean colonies, where it was traded for rum, sugar, and molasses. That both foods became staples in colonial Jamaica was not surprising. Non-perishable saltfish is inexpensive, easy to store, and high in protein, while ackee on the other hand is loaded with fiber, protein, and vitamin C. In Jamaica's brutal slave society, the foodstuff made a cheap and nutritious repast for enslaved people on the country's hot, humid sugar plantations. There is no record though of when the two ingredients were first combined in one dish, but all we know at some point over the last century, a definitive recipe emerged. Thank you for watching again, guys. I really do hope you found this video interesting or informative. If so, please do remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Until we meet again here on Elite Jamaica, just want to say thank you and stay blessed.